and welcome back to my YouTube channel Style Dancer Trishna. This is Trishna, and guys, today's video is going to be very interesting because today I'm going to showing you 5 border designs. Actually guys, whenever we give a card to someone, it's really very necessary to make a border designs. Whenever we go somewhere, we have to wear good clothes because it make us very beautiful. It makes our makes us very graceful. Like that, whenever we are giving someone something card like that, we have to draw a border designs that make the card more graceful. So today I'm going to be showing you 5 border designs which really give you the idea how to make border designs, and this will very helpful for you guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, the first border designs is this one. Can you see, this is the first border designs. So what I have done here, so you have to draw 4 lines in this border design. One thing guys, this is the half of A4 sheet paper. Usually everyone draw the card in this size, so I prefer to do the card also in this size. This is the half of A4 sheet paper. So here I have drawn 4 lines. This is a line which is a full line I have drawn it this much distance, and you have to draw a line. Here the same line you have to draw, but between that you have to draw a red heart, and in the second line it will be a shorter than half. This is the half length of it, and it is shorter it, and here in the end it is a heart, and in the up of that heart there is a big heart, and in the third line, means the fourth line of the page, you have to draw a heart after the big heart. You can see this one, and the color of it, the hearts will be the red and the lines will be the purple and green. It's your choice. You can also mix and match something, that it's your wish upon which color you like. I like green and purple combination, so I thought to do that one. The next border design is, this is a very simple border designs. Those students, those people who does not like to draw very much, and those who does not have that art to draw, so they will like this because this is very easy one. So what we have to do, we have to draw 2 flowers in the ends, like here I have drawn, and one you have to draw here. The lines you have to draw, here is the line which will connect the 2 flowers, and here is the line which will connect the 2 flowers as usual. And then you have to do second line which is not connecting, but it's still in the line. So here I have started, here we will go, and here in the last of that you have to draw 5 circles, point circles. So here I have drawn 6. It's your choice, 5, 6, 7, whatever it's your choice. Here I also. So yeah, the color, if I can say, the lines you can draw purple, blue, black, everything, and the flowers is also your choice, orange, green, pink, purple, red, blue, everything, and the dots is also your choice, but think that the color will be matched to the border. So yeah, this is the border design number 2. The third design is this one. This is also a very good card. I think this is a specific thing for festivals guys, because this is very helpful for festival like Diwali, Holi, you can give someone. So in this border, what we have to do, we have to draw a big flower here. First we have to draw a sun-like type of here, then a zebra crossing, then a lion type of thing, and here we have to draw big petals, and then we have to draw 3 border designs of the paper. So yeah, I have, guys, this is the borders, and in the three borders I have given some dots like structure, you can see. And the color, if I can say, then the flower is your choice. I have done yellow, purple and white, green, blue and pink. And the border is purple. You can do blue, green, pink, your choice. So guys, the fourth border designs is so this is a very beautiful, which I can say very beautiful, and this is a bit easy also. What we have to do, in the upper portion we have to take big small, like type that lines. Like I have taken big small big small big small big small small big small small, like that you have taken. And in the end of that we have to take small big small lines, like big small I have taken. So this will be the large and this will be the tiny one. And then what you have to do, you have to make some dots in the end of the lines, like I have made here. I have also taken, and here I have also made. And the color I have done is purple, the lines, and the dots is red. It's your choice that which color you will do. That if you like pink, then do pink lines, add blue dots. And if you are adding green lines, to add purple dots, like that. If your choice which lines you have to do, which color, and in which color dots you have to do. The fifth border design is one. This is a very beautiful, very easy one, very simple border design. So in this, what we have to do, we have to just give a full border, like a simple border first you have to do. And in the corners, in the opposite corners, you have to draw slanting lines, which I have drawn. You can see some slanting lines I have drawn, and the end of the slanting lines you have to give some dots, like in the previous one we have done. The both side you have to do the same. And the next which we have to do, like we have to add the second border, you can see. So yeah, this is, and the color which I have done is the red purple. The color is your choice, green blue, purple, pink, orange red, your choice. It's your opinion which we wants to do. So yeah, these are the 5 border designs I am talking to you. So which one is your favorite, and if we want part 2 guys, so please tell me. So yeah, these are my 5 border designs. If you like this video guys, just please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel to get the videos like this one, and just click that bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any video. And guys, share to your friends that who are interested to make the cards and gifts to you. And guys, also comment me that which one is your favorite among these 5. And in fact, if you want the second part of border designs, just comment me. I will try to bring it guys. So bye, see you, meet in the next video. Bye.